So as you know, today we'll discuss the chapters that is the differential equation, very scoring chapter for your JEE point of view. Every year you will see one or two questions, one to minimum. Sometimes you can get two questions also from this chapter differential equation, and the thing is questions are doable. So you can do the questions from these chapters, easy questions. See, I have taken today some frequently asked questions. Means these are the questions that are frequently asking in your JEE exam. So see how important these questions are here. So I have shared the PDF in your group. Not PDF. This is the questions in your group also, and the same times question is here also. You can see. So chaliye, we will start the class. So these are the questions. You have to see the question and answer. So see, this is the first questions. If I can tell you, and I think the 100% of students can answer these questions because these are the easy questions, right? So yes, tell me what is the answer of this first questions here. All of you see an answer.
Sir, option A 2,9.
Option A 2 comma 9. Hmm? Yes, everyone see. So here the question is, and these are the questions frequently asked. Means these are the questions of such type they are asking frequently. I think some more students here are in the lobby. Okay, fine. So yes, everyone can answer. This is the easy questions. You all can answer. We have to answer for the degree and order and degree of this question. So let us say this question number 1. This is your question number 2 for today class. So order, what is the order of this differential equations? So number of times it is differentiated. So order is very simple, 2. And what about the degree? Degree, all know that the highest power of highest order derivative term after making the equation in the form of polynomial. Polynomial means what, sir? That no differential term should be in the any negative power, any fractional power, or any sine, cos, or any inverse trigonometric function or trigonometric function or log or exponential, whatever it is. So here what we need to do first, we need to, this is the ninth root is there, you can say. So for removing this one, we have to take the ninth power both side. So what it will be, 2 plus 9 into dy by dx. What we have done, taking ninth power both side, ninth power both side. So you all can answer what it will be. 2, this side also we will take 8 raised to the power 9 and ds square y by dx square also raised to the power 9. So बहुत अच्छा बोला. ऑर्डर 2 हो गया सर, डिग्री 9 हो गया सर. सो 2 एंड 9, ऑप्शन नंबर 1 इज करेक्ट. ठीक है, फटाफट सेकंड क्वेश्चन का कर दीजिए आंसर फिर तो.
Sir, option A.
ऑप्शन ए.
Yes, sir.
अदर स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो आंसर फास्ट. Yes, everyone should participate, then only you will be find interesting.
Yes, sir, option A.
Option A. Okay. Yes, yes, every students must attempt these questions at least. These are the CBSE board types of questions, and you will find this are the question frequently they ask in your JEE mains exam. So yes, very good. By looking this only we can say, sir, the degree will not be defined because यहाँ से differential का term सर साइन के अंदर में आ गया. एंड आई थिंक वी कांट रिमूव ऑल्सो. अगर इधर भेजेंगे सर तो इसको हटाने के लिए साइन वर्ड्स लेंगे. सो ऑप्शन है, फटाफट करके हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. ठीक है ना. तो बिकॉज दिस डिफरेंशियल टर्म इज इनसाइड द साइन. फाइन. इसमें से क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं आता आपका जेई मेंस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. क्वेश्चन ईजी होता है यहाँ से. सो देखते चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग देख लेते हैं फटाफट. यस, this is the question also they asking frequently. Tell me the answer of this question. Everyone please solve. First you take a try, okay, then I will explain, then it will be fine. You will feel that yes, you will understand the solution. So we have to solve these questions. Everyone try this. Yes, done. सो एक्चुअली चलो मैं भी साथ साथ में करता हूँ बिकॉज टाइम तो कम है ना, ऐसे वेट करेंगे तो फटाफट बहुत कम क्वेश्चन डिस्कस हो पाएगा. सो यस, यू ऑल्सो continue the solution. So see, this is the question here. Y e raised to the power y dx is equal to, you can write what, yq minus 2x e raised to the power y into dy. Okay. You will get the hint of from here also. They retain that this is a function of y actually. X is equal to function of y, right? So something x is equal to function of y we will get. And also from here also, if you can see, if we write the value dx by dy, yes, meanwhile anyone getting the answer, please tell the answer. So what it will be, y cube minus 2x e raised to the power y, and this term will come this side, so it will be, sir, y e raised to the power y divided by y e raised to the power y. So you can see here this part is going to be cancelled here, okay na, and here also we can cancel. So this is, you can very easily see, this is the linear differential equation, okay. And let us take this 2x in the left hand side only, so it will be something 2x y is equal to y square by e raised to the power y. So this is the LDE, linear differential equation. And how you can solve, you know everyone how to solve such equations. So we have to find the integrating factor. So what is the value of p here? P is nothing but 2 by y, and the value of q is nothing but y square divided by e raised to the power y. This is the value of p and q we have. So what is the integrating factor? E raised to the power 2 by y and then dy. Clear na? So e raised to the power, what it is, dy by y, that is ln y. So you can say, sir, it is y square actually. So integrating factor what we got as y square. So then write its solution. What is the solution we have? Solution you all know, that is y into here, so what it will be, x na, x into integrating factor, that is x into y square, is equal to q, that is y square divided by e raised to the power y. And then what we have, d of sorry, this is also we have na, integrating factor, that is y square into dy plus c. So now you have to do such type of integration. What it will be, y ke power 4 e ke power minus y into dy. So little bit it will be a linear side, because again we have to integrate this portion. You all can integrate this one. करो इंटीग्रेशन इसका. यही आ रहा है ना? आर यू ऑल गेटिंग द सेम इक्वेशन?
सर y पावर -2 होना चाहिए ना
कहाँ पे गलती कर दिया?
सर. जब हमने उसको दूसरे साइड भेजा तो हम आपने
जस्ट
2x
मिनट,
प्लस
जस्ट
2x बाय
मिनट.
y लिखा है.
सो ये आ गया अपने पास. दिस टर्म वी हैव सेंडेड दिस साइड ना, राइट हैंड साइड. से वाई स्क्वायर बाई वाई माइनस 2x ई के पावर वाई. कहाँ पे बाबू?
ओ नहीं सर, ठीक है, मैं क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग नोट कर रहा था.
ठीक है ना. 2x बाई वाई इज इक्वल टू वाई स्क्वायर ई के पावर वाई. ठीक है, इसको इंटीग्रेट कर लीजिए। फिर इंटीग्रेट करके वी हैव टू पुट y0 इज इक्वल टू 1 and we have to find the value of y1. Do it fast and tell me what you are getting the answer. Yes, tell me the answer. Not getting. मैं ही कर दूं क्या फिर? चलो मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा लगता है. So what it will be? We have to do here what? Eilert rule ना, integration by parts. So इसको I think 3 बार लगाना पड़ जाएगा डिफरेंशिएट करते करते, 4 बार एटलीस्ट. ये कर लोगे, हो जाएगा है ना? This part now you have to integrate and then put this condition is also given to you. That is what? If value of x is equal to 0, then the value of y you have to put 1, and after that you find the value of y of 1. Clear? हो जाएगा तब बता दो. मुक्तांश कितना आ रहा है बताओ? Not answering. Other students also? ओके तो ठीक है, इसको कर लीजिएगा. थोड़ा लेंदी साइड का क्वेश्चन हो गया ये. डू दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th number. What it will be? We have the y is equal to y of x be the solution of differential equation, this one. Then we have to find the value of y of half. Tell me what it will be. Question number 4 solution. So by looking only you can identify this is the which type of form. Which form it is? X minus sine of y into dy is equal to minus tan of y into dx. Okay, so which form it is looking here? Is it the form of LDE? See, if we take this dx by dy, if you do here dx by dy, okay, so what it will be this side? Minus x by tan of y plus sine of y divided by tan of y. So if we take this term into the left hand side, so this is our dx by dy plus x divided by tan of y is equal to sine of y divided by tan of y. Again this is the form of LDE, linear differential equation. तो देखिए कितना important topic है. So many questions you are getting from here. Linear differential equation. So what is the integrating factor, sir? Here in this case e raised to the power p dot dy na. So what it will be? 1 tan of y dy, or one can write this 1 by tan of y. Let me write what is the value of p here once. That is 1 upon tan of y. इसको डायरेक्टली मैं cot ही लिख देता हूँ. That is what we have, sir, cot of y, and value of q. Value of q, what it will be?
cos y.
Cos y. Cos y. Very good. So simply find this. So it will be integration of this cot of y and dy. So what is the integration of cot y? cos by sin ना, तो ln sin or what, ln sin only. So what it will be, it will be sir simply sin x, because e or ln का value it will be 1. So now simply write the solution. What is the solution here in this case? Oh sorry, it is the y. How I written x? This is here we have y actually. So what the solution? X into integrating factor, that is x into sine of y, is equal to q. Q what we have here? Cos of y. So cos of y into sine of y, cos of y into sine of y into dy plus c. This is the things here coming. So if we suppose your sine y as t, so you will get here dt. So simply t dt you are getting now. If we suppose that sine y is equal to t, so your dt is equal to nothing but cos of y and dy. So what we are getting here, simply t dt. So I'm writing directly. T dt means t square by 2, that you can write sine square y by 2 plus c, that is the value of x sine of y. X sine of y equal to this much. Now see in the question they given some boundary condition to get the value of your c. Where it is? Yes, this only na 0 0. Okay, so when you put here x 0, y also 0 coming, simply put the value, so it will be c coming 0 only. So what is the value of c you got? 0. So what is the equation you got? X into sine of y is equal to sine square y by 2. Now question asking that what is the value of y of half, means when you will put the value of x is equal to half, what is the value of y? So simply put the value, this is half sine of y is equal to sine square y by 2. तो 2 से 2 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. If we take this side, we can get एक तो sine of y common, so we are getting what here? Sine of y minus 1 equal to 0. So 1 तो we can get the value of y as 0, and 1 we can get pi by 2. Let us see what is the option they giving. So option here they given both 0 also, and they given pi by 2 also. Now tell me which option will be correct here. Which option can be correct here? Yes, tell. See, this is the question here, because this is the MCQ question, only one is correct. And here you are getting both as the answer, 0 also, pi by 2 also. So somewhere we have get a value that will not satisfy the equation. Which value will not satisfy? So answer for this question will be 90 only. Okay, why not 0? See, if you put the here 0 value, then what you are getting here? Check, just a minute. So if we put y is equal to 0, okay, so see here this part will be undefined. Integrating factor only will not be work. Why? Because if we put the value y 1 upon tan of 0, that is 0, 1 upon 0 is undefined. But if you put pi by 2, that is 1 by infinity, it will be 0. That is e ke power 0 will be 1. So answer for this question will be what actually? So y is equal to 0 is not possible, not satisfying. So only the value y is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will be the answer here. Okay. Now see these questions. Question number 5. Check everyone. This is also the frequently asked questions. You can see the question from your, if it is not visible, so you can check the group where I have shared the photo of these questions. Tell me. So this is also the frequently asked question. Let me write the question if it is not visible. Just a minute. So this is the question you have here. Question number 5 na. Question number 5. It is given the solution of differential equation. We have to find it out. That is x into dy by dx plus dy by dx minus 2xy is equal to 0. It is given us that y of 0 is equal to 1. So we have to find the solution of this differential equation. Yes, everyone try this one. So see how we can do this one. Okay. So very simply you can see here, this is the form of what? Dy by dx, if you take, this will be x plus 1 is equal to 2xy na. So which form? Very simply variable separable method you can use here. Variable separable form it is. So how we can solve this one variable separable form? That is, you can take y this side, so it will be dy by y, and it is 2x dx divided by x plus 1. Tell me the answer. What is the answer coming here? Simply integrate this one. So this side we are getting ln of y is equal to, if you take 2 outside, what we will do here? Can we create the denominator into numerator? Yes sir. So x plus 1 minus 1 you can do, and this is x plus 1 into dx. Okay na? So what it will come? 2 times of 1 to integration of x minus integration of dx divided by x plus 1, like that. So what it is coming? Just to check. So it is coming here ln of y is equal to 2 times x minus ln of x plus 1 plus c. Now simply put the value and you will get the answer. What are the information given to us? That is y of 0 is equal to 1. Y of 0 is equal to 1. Means y is equal to 1 when we put x is equal to 0. So 2 times of 0 minus ln of again 1 plus c. ln 1 to 0 only. So very clearly c is coming 0 from here. So just you can match the answer here. That is ln y is equal to 2 times x minus ln of x plus 1. This is the answer. Clear? So this is coming here, option number A. Just check the option A here once. Wait a minute. So this is the option number A is given the same. You check. So this will be the answer for this question here. Now question number 2. 2 हो जाएगा सबसे क्या? कैन यू डू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2? And no one responding, just you have joined the class. Not solving or what? Question number 2. This is the question number for this one, question number 6 na. Okay, question number 6, 7, 8, 9. See the question everyone, what it is given to you. This is here, y is equal to, let me write the question if it is not visible here. Question number 6 na. So see, next question you have this one, that is y is equal to y of x. This is the function given, this is the solution है ना, is the solution of differential equation given to us as x into dx minus y dy plus xy square into dx minus yx square dy, okay, is equal to 0. Given that y of 1 equal to 0, so we have to find the value of y square 1. Y square 1, it will be what? Yes. So try this one, what you are getting, tell me the answer also. What is the answer coming? No. Am I audible or not? You are just no one responding, no response.
Yes
अंकुश
sir, you're audible.
है, ओनली अंकुश बोल रहा है. हाँ ठीक है.
सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ सर.
अच्छा सॉल्व कर रहे हो, ओके ओके, गुड गुड गुड, ठीक. कहाँ जा रहा है ऊपर नीचे भाई? यस. चलिए साथ में मैं भी करता हूँ क्योंकि टाइम तो कम ही है, थोड़ा क्वेश्चंस ज़्यादा ले लिया हूँ. सो वट एवर द क्वेश्चन आई विल लेफ्ट दैट यू हैव टू डू इन द होमवर्क पार्ट. So first of all we'll collect the dx value, dx at one places. So you can say this is x plus x into y square, and if we transfer dy in the right hand side, it will be y plus y x square into d of y. Okay, so such type of things is coming here. Now if we take x also comma, if we factorize, so this will be x 1 plus y square, and if we take here y, so it is 1 plus x square into dy. Now I think it is very clear that this is the form of variable separable. So this is what actually
Sir,
variable.
it's coming log of 1 plus x square equals log of 1 plus y square plus log c.
Okay, just okay, you have solved the equation. Solution is coming like that.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so now simply put the boundary condition. Boundary condition they given, if we are putting here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. You put this one, you will get the value of c. After that, you have to find y square as a function. Y square is equal to something, and then put x is equal to 1 over there. You will get the value of y square 1. Yes, to do up to the last. So what we are getting here, if we take this, will be x dx divided by 1 plus x square is equal to y divided by 1 plus y square, here also the same. Right now, so it is so very clear that this is the substitution method. अगर नीचे वाले पार्ट को फिर सब्सिट्यूट एज टी, सो हाफ भी चाहिए, हाफ चलिए कर देंगे, तो हाफ कट भी जाएगा इधर से, दोनों तरफ सेम ही है. सो इट विल बी 1/2 ओके ln of 1 plus x square will come. This side also you can take 1/2 ln of 1 plus y square will come, and let us take this also something 1/2 ln of c, so that this half will be cancelled every side. So what we can get here, so this, if we see, this is the 1/2 ln of 1 plus x square is equal to 1/2 ln of 1 plus y square into c. Sir, this half and half cancel, ln we can remove, right? So what we are getting here, see, then we are getting simply as 1 plus x square is equal to 1 plus y square into c. Now what they given the boundary condition, x0, sorry, x1 y0. This is the boundary condition they given. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and y is equal to 0. So use this boundary condition. It is coming 1 plus 1 square 1, and this is coming c. So we got c as 2. We got c as 2. Once we got the value of c, we can find the y square also. So what it will be, I'm writing this side in different color, just a minute. So it will come 1 plus x square, and 2 को भी भेज देता हूँ इधर ही, तो डिवाइडेड बाई 2 एंड -1 को भी भेज देता हूँ, इज इक्वल टू वाई स्क्वायर, बिकॉज वी वांट द फंक्शन ऑफ वाई स्क्वायर. So if we put y square function of what we need, y square 1 we needed, okay. So at the place of x we have to put 1, so 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1, so this is 2 by 2 minus 1, it will be 0. So answer for this question will be 0. Clear? So see the next question what we have. Question number 6 तो हो गया. All of keep doing. Next question number 7. If I can show you the question number 7, can you do the question number 7 by yourself? It is looking same, similar type only. छोड़ दो आपके लिए 7 वाला. I'm doing the question number 8. 7 is similar one, okay na? This also you can do in the same way. I'm doing the question number, this one, 8 number question. Here little bit trigonometry involve. Question number 8. 6 तो हो गया. 7 similar type homework. Question number 7 in your homework. Similar type. Question number 8. Yes, everyone do. Let me write the question first for you. Question is y is equal to function of x, here they given, right? Actually not function of x, y of x they written only in the question. That is x only. Function of x is the solution of differential equation. Differential equation given to us as dy is equal to cos of x plus y into dx, okay na? And satisfying the equation y of 0 equal to 0. If we put y 0, we are getting x 0. Then we have to find the equation. Now you know how to solve such type of questions. How you can do this one? So actually see here x plus y both are involved over there. So for removing this one, we have to substitute over here x plus y को कुछ मान लो t or something like that. Then only we will able to solve, because here two variable are involved in this trigonometry. So what you can do, see, if we want to write dy by dx, so dy by dx is nothing but cos of x plus y. So what we can do here, simply put x plus y as t, x plus y as t. So what is the value of dy by dx? If we differentiate this equation with respect to x, so it will be 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. Now simply substitute the value. So whenever such type of question you are getting na, you simply substitute that part. और ऐसा क्वेश्चन आने का चांस है, ऑलरेडी सब फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड में है, बार बार आता है क्वेश्चन. So what it will be, sir? From here you can see the value of dy by dx, one can write dt by dx minus 1. Okay na? So you write here what it is, dy by dx as dt by dx minus 1 is equal to cos of t, cos of t. Okay, so now to it is easy na. This is the very simple variable separable, I think it is coming, is equal to cos of t plus 1. Let us take with dt. So this is a dt by cos of t plus 1. Yeah, 1 plus cos of t, what you want, whatever you want to write, you just write. So what is the integration of 1 plus cos t? So I think so here you can use the result also, 1 plus cos 2 theta. What is 1 plus cos 2 theta? तो 1 plus cos 2 theta तो नहीं है ना. ठीक है, इसको 2 theta मान लेंगे, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. So 1 plus cos of t को 1 can write 2 cos square t by 2. Do you all remember cos 2 theta formula? 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Simply using that only. So what we can get here? This is sir 2, तो 1 by 2 बाहर हो गया सर जी. dt divided by नीचे में cos square है, will take into the numerator. So cos square is equal to what actually we can write, sec square t by 2 dt is equal to here dx. What is the integration of sec square? Sec square is differentiation of what? बोलो भाई. That differentiation of what? Tan ना. हाँ ठीक है. So what it will be, 1 by 2 tan t by 2, and you all know that because whatever is the multiply with this variable we have to divide it by that. So 1 by 2 से divide भी करना होगा, and this is equal to सर जी x plus c. ये तो सर जी चले गए, हो गए. अच्छा, now what you have to do, we have to put the value t, because the boundary condition is given in the form of t only na, sorry xy only. So what t we have taken, x plus y. So here we have to put t is equal to x plus y, so that we can use our boundary condition easily. So this will be tan of x plus y by 2 is equal to x plus e. What the boundary condition given? Let me check once. 0 0. Okay, so you can to see easily, if we put x 0 y 0, you will get your tan of 0 is equal to 0 plus c sir. So c भी 0 आ गया sir. So the final answer you are getting as tan of x plus y by 2 is equal to, तो इतना easy क्वेश्चन आया बेटा. So सबको बोल रहा हूँ, this chapter differential equation, you have to make sure that you are not going to leave a single question from here, because they can't ask the different difficult question from here. Only easy questions are asking. Okay, clear na? Fine. So what is the next one? Next questions number 9. So question number 9, Can I leave this question for you? I can, because this is a similar type of questions. So question number 9 also I am leaving. Question number 9 similar type homework question. अरे क्या हो रहा है भाई? Question number 9 similar type question homework. Question number 9 homework similar type. Fine. So see the question number 10 from here. This one. This question you do, everyone. Question number 10. See how they have mixed your differential equation. Actually, see a differential equation having a scope to mix with the limit, to mix with the area under the curve, and to mix with the application of derivative. So this chapter they can mix with these 3 chapters. Okay. So yes, tell me the answer. Do this question. First of all, you find the solution of differential equation, and after that you have to find the limit. Yes. So what is the solution coming here? किसने इंटीग्रेट किया? इंटीग्रेट करके सॉल्यूशन क्या आया? एटलीस्ट टेल मी द सॉल्यूशन.
Sir, y into e to the power x is equal to tan inverse x plus c.
हाँ, वेरी गुड अफान, एकदम सही है आपका. आगे जाइए, फिर लिमिट निकाल लीजिए. सिंपली पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x, यू विल गेट द फाइनल आंसर. So see this 10 number question.
Sir, c is equal to pi by 4.
Pi by 4 you are getting. Little bit just you check once calculation. C equal to pi by 4 na, correct. C equal to pi by 4 is correct. I think you telling the final answer. So now you have to find this limit.
Sir, 3 pi by 4.
हाँ, very good, correct. एकदम ठीक है. So simply this limit will be 3 pi by 4. You try the next question then, this one 11 number question you try. Then you try this number 11 number question. So let me show you the question. This one very easy question they given. That is dy by dx plus y is equal to, if we transfer this side, so 1 plus e raised to the power 2x, right? So you can clearly see this is the LDE form, linear differential equation, and the value of p is 1 and the value of q is 1 plus e ke power 2x. So you can easily find the integrating factor, that is e raised to the power p dot dx, 1 into dx, that is e ke power x. Now you can find the solution. Y into e ke power x is equal to e ke power x divided by 1 plus e ke power 2x into dx plus c. Now it is very easy. If we put this part as t, तो t स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, ऊपर dt बन जाएगा. That is nothing sir, tan inverse t. t का मतलब e के पावर x plus c. And they given the boundary condition as what they given, 0 pi by 2. If we put x is equal to 0, y equal to pi by 2. Use this boundary condition. सो ये तो 1 ही हो जाएगा, तो इसको भी मैं पाई ऑफ 2 लिख ही देता हूँ. दिस इज पाई बाई 2 एंड tan इनवर्स 1 तो यू ऑल नो पाई बाई 4 होता है सर, प्लस सी. सो सर जी सी का वैल्यू पाई बाई 4 आ गया. सो वी गॉट द आवर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सॉल्यूशन, दैट इज y e के पावर x इज इक्वल टू tan inverse e के power x plus pi by 4. So now simply put the limit on this one. So yes, this only. So simply actually you know this is your function. You check e के power x yx. So what is the limit you have to do? This only limit apply x tending to infinity. यहाँ apply कर दो x tending to infinity. e के power infinity infinity. Tan inverse infinity means pi by 2. So pi by 2 plus pi by 4, it is coming actually 3 pi by 4. So answer for this question will be 3 pi by 4. Option number B is correct. So ये सब कर लीजिएगा आप. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप ये सब क्वेश्चन ये भी होमवर्क में कर लीजिएगा. सिमिलर क्वेश्चन, simply you have to do the integration and first of all solution, then do the integration. Question number 28. 28 क्यों लिख रहा हूँ? 11 नंबर हमारा काउंटिंग के हिसाब से 11 नंबर. So homework similar question. Okay, what I want to discuss with you, this question this question you try everyone. Which one? ये भी है, ये भी कर लेना, घर में कर लेना. इसको सिमिलर टाइप ही है. सिंपली इंटीग्रेट करिएगा, वैल्यू पुट करिएगा उसको, then you will get the one fraction. So you have to compare the value of m and n, and then you will have to add and you have to answer. Fine. So now which question? This question. Everyone try this question. A good question they given, little bit lengthier side but important one. They have here taken the mixture of different concepts. So time is less. Let me explain you very quickly. So what is the function we will get? So you can clearly see this is the sir LDE. So dy by dx plus x into y, okay, divided by x square minus 1 is equal to x के power 4 plus 2x divided by 1 minus x square. So what is the value of here integrating factor? That is sir जी e raised to the power x divided by x square minus 1 into dx. Okay na? Here one thing you check, this is sir here inside it is x square minus 1 minus x square. Here it is x square minus 1. So ठीक है, यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा मैं माइनस बाहर निकाल लेता हूँ and we will integrate. So what it will be? Check. It will be e raised to the power minus x divided by 1 minus x square into dx. If we suppose t is equal to 1 minus x square, so dt is equal to minus 2x into dx, or this will be minus of dt by 2 is equal to x dx. If we put the value, तो minus minus ultimately कट ही जाएगा sir. I will get 1 by 2 and dt by t. So this is 1 by 2 ln t. So what is the ln? Ln 1 minus x square. So if we take root in half inside, it will be coming sir 1 minus x square का root under. This is the integrating factor. Once you got the integrating factor, then we have to write the solution first. So y into root under of 1 minus x square, solution I am writing here. That is equal to what? Q into integrating factor. That you can take x को अगर मैं बाहर ले लूँ सर, so this will be x cube plus 2 divide. चलो बाहर क्यों लेना, बाद में तो इंटीग्रेटिंग करना है, चलिए इसे छोड़ देते हैं. x के पावर 4 plus 2x divided by 1 minus x square into root under of 1 minus x square into dx, like that. So what it will be? ये तो कैंसिल. सिंपल सा इंटीग्रेशन आ गया सर, x के पावर 5/5 प्लस ए हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस सी, एंड दे गिवन द बाउंड्री कंडीशन. What is the boundary condition given to us? Boundary condition passing through the origin. Read it everyone. It is passing through the origin. If we put, so you can clearly see c is equal to 0 आ जाएगा सर. So what function we got? Function we got as x के power 5 divided by 5 root under 1 minus x square plus x square divided by 1 minus x square. This is the function we got. Now question asking to integrate this function from minus, कहाँ से कहाँ था बाबू, माइनस √3/2 से √3/2, माइनस √3/2 से.
सर ऑप्शन बी राइट है क्या?
ऑप्शन बी यू आर टेलिंग, जस्ट ए मिनट, 1 मिनट. ऑप्शन बी, 1 मिनट, कौन सा क्वेश्चन है भाई? हाँ, ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. π/3 माइनस √3/4 करेक्ट है. वेरी गुड. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू हियर, वी हैव टू इंटीग्रेट माइनस √3/2 से √3/2 x के पावर 5 इंटू √1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, दोनों को अलग अलग कर देता हूँ. सो रिक्वायर्ड इंटीग्रेशन आई, देन प्लस दिस साइड ऑल्सो माइनस √3/2 से √3/2 and x square root under of 1 minus x square into dx. बेटा ध्यान देना, अगर तुम ध्यान से देखो, दिस इज द विच टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन. लिमिट दिख गया, जितना नेगेटिव उतना पॉजिटिव. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू थिंक फॉर, वी हैव टू थिंक फॉर सर इवन और ऑड फंक्शन. सर जब भी आपका लिमिट सेम आ जाए, वी विल थिंक फॉर द इवन एंड ऑड फंक्शन. यू कैन क्लियरली सी दिस इज योर ऑड फंक्शन, दिस इज ऑड फंक्शन, नो नीड टू इंटीग्रेट. आंसर इसका सर 0 होगा इस पोर्शन का, बिकॉज ऑड फंक्शन है ना सर. लिमिट जितना नेगेटिव उतना पॉजिटिव. अगर मैं माइनस पुट करूं तो यहाँ माइनस बाहर आ जाएगा, और अंदर में स्क्वायर है तो माइनस खत्म हो जाएगा. तो कुल मिला के नेगेटिव ऑफ द सेम फंक्शन आ जाएगा सर. दिस इज द इवन फंक्शन, यू कैन चेक, दिस इज द इवन फंक्शन. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू सिंपली, 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 0 to √3/2 एक्स स्क्वायर, एंड दिस इज सर 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रेशन. तो सिंपली आप इसको इंटीग्रेट करिए, यू विल गेट द आंसर नंबर 2 एज योर करेक्ट आंसर. दैट इज कितना है, π/3 माइनस √3/2. सो मैं नहीं करने वाला, π/3 माइनस √3/2 इज द ऑप्शन बी. कैसे करोगे, 1 माइनस प्लस करके कर लो, न्यूमरेटर में बना लो इसको, डिनोमिनेटर को कैंसिल हो जाएगा, फिर एक बार अपना स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला लग के इंटीग्रेट हो जाएगा. सो इतना था बेटा. ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आप होमवर्क में ट्राई करिएगा. दिस इज ऑल क्वेश्चन इन द होमवर्क यू ट्राई, एंड इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग एनी डाउट्स यू कैन आस्क, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो दिस ऑल आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आई गिवन यू. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस टुडे क्लास. सो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग द क्वेश्चंस as much you can. So thank you so much all of you for joining the class. We'll meet in the next class. On the Friday also we'll discuss the differential equation only, and that day I will take little bit advanced questions. Okay, so थोड़ा सा आप इसमें और टाइम मिले तो you just do more practice. तो उसमें थोड़ा अच्छा लेवल का क्वेश्चन लेंगे, थोड़ा बड़ा होगा उसका सॉल्यूशन. So thank you so much all of you for joining the class. We'll meet in the next class. You can leave the class. I will share this PDF in your group. Okay, so thank you.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Yes Ankush, tell me Ankush.
सर आप जो आज पीडीएफ भेजे थे ना,
हाँ
उसमें सर एक क्वेश्चन था कि फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. तो
हाँ,
सर वो वाले में हम लोग,
हाँ तुम लोग
हाँ
नहीं
तो
किए हो ना,
उसको हम
ठीक
लोग,
है मैं करा दूंगा बेटा. ऑल्दो आई थिंक तुम रुके नहीं. आफ्टर 2:30 कराया हूँ. वॉल्यूम
हाँ सर
वॉल्यूम
वो
का कर लेना
पैरेलल
स्टार्ट.
पाइप्ड वाला ही ना,
सेम
एल डॉट बी
करेक्ट,
क्रॉस
हाँ
एच.
सेम ओनली. ठीक
ठीक
है.
है सर, आप फिर वही वाला फॉर्मूला
हाँ
चला.
लगा दीजिए, आ जाएगा. अफान
ओके
क्या
सर,
आज,
थैंक यू सर.
हाँ ठीक है, थैंक यू. अफान है यहाँ पे कि सिर्फ ज्वाइन होकर बैठा हुआ है? टुडे तो ये रिस्पॉन्स वेरी लेस. अफान आर यू देयर? ये लगता है अफान आज ज्वाइन होकर कहीं भाग गया. चलो ठीक.